Hello, hi friends. Welcome back to Programming Keeda. Today we are going to learn SQL select query, which is the most basic and important commands in SQL. We will focus on the three things today: select all data, select specific columns, and select distinct to remove duplicate data. So we will use the student table, for example. To use student DB. Use studentDB and execute. Now you have changed the database name and select. The first query is select all data. Select all student data. So syntax is select star from table name. Then the syntax is select star from table name. So meaning is select is use where what you want to see, all columns from student from the student table. Where you can run this, you will see a 20 rows and all four columns. This is like opening the whole data and looking is everything. So we will check select star from student and select and execute. So here all record is fetch from 1 to 20. The total all available record is 20 rows. And second query is select data for a specific column. So something, you did not need all columns, you can choose only the ones you want. So query syntax is we need select specific column. Syntax is select column name 1 comma column name 2 from table name. So this is a syntax and we need to check a query for select star. Select column name is city comma column name is name from student and select this query and execute. So here we are selecting only a name and city, so we will ignore all the other columns like student ID and age. The demo result is city is Pune, name is Saurabh, city is Mumbai, and name is Rohan. So the select name and city from student now use when the generating a report or dashboard. So we are using a simple select query. So always select only the data you need. Improve your query performance, make your result is clean and readable. So in this second query we have learned select specific column from table. And then third query is select distinct. Third query is select data from distinct. distinct means remove duplicate values. Duplicate values or duplicate data. Values or duplicate data. So this query syntax is select distinct distinct column name from table name. Okay, and the query is select select distinct city from student and select this query and execute. The total data is show from 18 rows. So the distinct is remove the duplicate data. Only unique cities will appear. So the demo result is cities Akola, Amravati, Aurangabad, Beed, Jalna, Kolhapur, Kalyan, Latur. So this is the step-by-step demo for the select distinct query. Observe the unique all the cities name. Distinct is a very useful when you want to remove a repeated data and focus on unique values. So we have run another query is select distinct age from student. Select and execute. The data is changed and show only 11 rows. So that it's for the today's video. We have learned uh, select start from student means select all the data from table. Select specific column means column filtering. Third is select distinct from remove duplicate data. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to Programming Keeda. In the next video, we will learn how to filter a data using where clause. See you in the next video. Thank you.